everyone, I'm going to show you how I do my fairy makeup. I like to use different types of powdered eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows, things that are matte, things that are shimmery, and I'll just take you through the process. Let's go. This is the Juvias Place Culture 2 palette, that color. Eye number 2. So a technique that I like to do to make my eyes look wider and brighter is to go underneath with whatever color I'm using. So this is Juvias Place liquid eyeshadow and the color is Fula. So I'm going to apply it now. So the key with liquid eyeshadows is you have to work quick because these babies like to dry fast. And then I'm going to use the brush I have not used yet to help blend this stuff out. So we're going to let that dry and then I'm going to move on to the next eye. Just a few more seconds. So you see on this side, my left, it's like, ooh, that's cool. That's pigmented. It was properly applied. But then this one is like, whoa, because it's holographic. Iridescent. It moves with you. It changes. So I think that's just a cool way to make your eyeshadows go from super cool to whoa. And now I'm going to do the next eye. Other eye. Just get up in there. Okay, so both eyes are good. What I like to do next is do my signature liner. So what I use is the NYX liner. It's a liquid one. It has like a marker type point. So it's very easy to draw. So if you know how to draw, know how to write, you can do your liquid liner. Turn your head to the side, locate your outer corner of your eye and go like this. Then drag it down. Lift up your eyebrow. So I prefer sharp lines. You can always adjust it with Q-tips. Pro tip, when you're doing your inner corner, you can only touch it once. If you do it more than once, it's going to smudge. And then you'll be sad. So make sure you get the underneath too. You can always go back later and fix it if need be. And remember, when you work with liquids, you gotta make sure you're giving it time to dry. And I can see here I got some light dusting of eyeshadow. I'm gonna go clean that up and then continue the inner corner. Okay, I'm back. So to do your inner corner, drag it. As you get closer to the end, and this is also when you do the outer corner that we just did, you want a very, very light hand. And the other side. Inner corner, locate. You just want to give it that whoosh look, your fairy wings. Moon Dust, Urban Decay. This purple one is called Studio. So I'm going to take that Studio one, silver, and go like this. just around the perimeter. On the other side. So I'm going to use this Milani for my lashes. So this is the viral one. You've seen it on TikTok. If you haven't, it's all good. It's highly rated lash extensions. I think it costs $6. You can get it at Walmart. I like to do high-end makeup and low-end. So, mascara tip, people. If you don't want to ruin beautiful eyeshadow that you just made, tip your head all the way back where you feel like the back of your head is touching your neck. And then gently and slowly apply the mascara. Do a bit of a jiggling motion. I find when I rush it and go, it gets on my eyeshadow and then I am sad. Tubing mascara dries very fast, so when you're doing your second layer, go in immediately. When I do the fairy looks with black eyeliner, I don't like to do my lower lash line with mascara, but if I'm doing no eyeliner with the fairy looks, then I will do my lower lash line just for some more definition. By the way, I wear contacts, and this is all contact friendly for people that wear contacts. Lower lashes. And just coat it. Other eye. The thing that I like about this eye is I have two molds. This one I've had since I was like 6, and then this one maybe came a few years ago. I think it looks cool. Or beauty marks. I guess they're not really moles. Do silver in the center. And that's the eyes. I'll show you what I do for the cheeks. Milk makeup. It's in the shade, I think it's called Muse. Yes, this is the lip cheek stick, excuse me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the makeup look is done. Now, time for the hair. And 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And that's the look. I'll show you guys my hair. Get the butterfly clips from Amazon. I hope everyone has a beautiful day. Bye, fairies.